wind than I thought there was going to be.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's okay. It's beautiful now, isn't it? Took a long time to get here.
Yeah.
Long time. Yeah, north of Melissa, Anna. Okay, we're ready to fly the Tasman 1500mm. Get the sun behind me. All right. Wow, there's no wind right now. Really like this plane for sure. It's a good size. I like it's on 4S. Gives me plenty of power. Very maneuverable. Love the tires. Landing gear. Struts are not very strong. There's the wind back. I've got a 4S 3300 in there, and I'm flying for about 7 minutes. And very visible. The visibility on this plane is really good. Of course, here we are at Jasper Field in Plano. Haven't been out here in a long time. And that's Oakley over there, giving Jason a hard time. Yeah, but this is a great plane. I mean, not much to it. It's got some lights, pretty visible still during the day. It's full throttle right there. touch and goes. Let's do a touch and go, I guess. What have I got? Still got 3 minutes. Take off left. Right up. That's landing flaps right now. Anyway, first plane I ever ordered off Amazon, and it's just been a great plane, and happy with it, grateful. It's great to be out here flying again. What is it now? It's October the 8th, 2023. What have I got? Still got 2 minutes. We're still flying. Full throttle right there. Full throttle. He's gone. Landing. Very good landing. She does great on this field. There she is, the Tasman 1500mm by XFly.